I've not been active because I've been feeling too strong for some time now. Thanks so those of you who called to check on me. I really appreciate. So what we're going to be doing tonight, alright, as against tomorrow Friday, we'll be analyzing. I'll be teaching you how to simply analyze the charts. So this is the simplest way possible you can analyze the chart. This is on a monthly time frame. On this monthly time frame, we have got to see that we've gone to see that we are in an uptrend. This is gold, XAUSD. This is gold. So this is an uptrend, but looking at what has happened within the last 4 months or 3.5 months now, the market seems to be in one position, like it has been consolidating. Looking at it clearly, counting from left to right, the last 4 candles you see here, that is giving you sideways movement. So well, let's mark out our major zones. All right, so I like doing like this, like marking my zones like this. All right, so sorry, this is being that this is a major zone, so we'll do like this. These two fins, I prefer it this way, so you can see it clearly, which is why I did it like that. So you make it like this. So as we go over any adjustments we're going to be making, but for now we do this, right? This is on the monthly, then we'll go over to the weekly time frame. Guys, this is what we call the top down analysis. So I'm going to quickly run you through it for you to understand how it is done, or how it is being done. So this is now our internal structure. All right, this is our internal structure. So we're going to be changing this color now to green or something. Yeah, so this color is good. This is for us to be able to identify that this is the internal structure. So those yellow ones are the major structure. All right, don't forget we have the inner structure and the outer structure. So those are the levels. So with these 3 lines we have drawn already, I'm sure we have been able to arrive at something. All right, so but we have to go switch over to I'm sure the sideways movement is becoming clearer as we switch, because if you look at it clearly, you will see that this market has been moving from left to right. It is neither going up nor going down, but it is consolidating at the moment. All right, so that is we are doing the top down analysis. All right, so we have to cover everything that is there, but going to the daily time frame, we are going to be seeing the markets clearer. All right, so what are we going to do in this case now that we are like this? So we are going to be making some adjustments, like I told you. We're going to be making some adjustments. All right, and those adjustments we are going to be making, we'll still make sure that it is not against what we are doing. All right, so come like this so that we'll be able to adjust whatever we want to adjust at any point. So you see, so are you seeing it? Zoom out to see clearly what we are doing. All right, so let me use the full screen so you can see it clearer. Are you seeing it now? So if you watch closely, This was a break of structure. This guy came here to retest and then pulled all the way up, then came down here at this point here, so because if you check very well, when it broke this level, retested, came up, there was a break of structure around here too. There was a break of structure here. Too. Alright, so this market came down and retested, and then it moved from here all the way from here to the upside. So this place is called a zone. So it is not a slim line that determines a zone. So if you watch closely, you'll see that this first move here is higher than those other moves, but meanwhile what makes it higher is the wick. It's not the candle body. The candle body did not close above any of those ones here. So when we switch to a lower time frame, I'm sure you're going to understand that better. So what are we then going to do? Because now we're going to so you can see I told you we're going to be making some adjustments as we switch to lower time frames. All right, so as to get exactly what you are doing, which is why you are supposed to know exactly what you are doing when you are analyzing the trade. You understand? So now what are we going to do next? We are going to be drawing our trend line. All right, our trend line from here all the way from here down to this place. So you can see clearly this guy was violated around here. And the meaning is, when it was violated, it came down, retested, bounced from here, then came all the way up here for retracement. And being that it came there for retracement, we're expecting something like this. All right, at least something like this will happen before we expect a rally all the way to the upside. So this fall is going to happen. And as a matter of fact, it might break here, retest this zone, this major zone. It might break and retest this major zone before it further pushes or rallies to the upside. So this is what we are expecting from gold, but this might take a long time for it to materialize, except there is a major news to the market that will push the market at once, and then it will just rush all the way down. It will just rally it will just fall all the way down here and then rally up. And as we are rallying up, I'm sure we are going to be breaking this zone. After this consolidation. After this consolidating move, we are going to be breaking this zone to the upside. We are going to rally all the way to the upside here. So, but for now, let's keep our fingers crossed. So if you want to, okay, for the 4 hours, let's go to 4 hour time frame. So because definitely we are not supposed to be making trading decisions based on the daily time frame. All right, so if you are new to this channel, kindly smash the subscribe button. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that whenever we drop a video like this, you'll be among the first to be notified. Because here we give you value. All right, we tell you things that make you real-time money, not I'm just talking. We educate you here on how the forex market works. The forex market is a very risky market, so it requires a lot of things. A lot of things are required for you to become profitable in the forex market. If you don't have, many people do not have access to informations like this, which is why they are struggling for a very long time in the forex market without being profitable. So now that we are at this top here, so here at this point, we have had multiple rejections around this zone. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth one. So this fourth one, if we are not able to sustain, if this guy here, this trend line is not able to sustain this, then we are coming all the way down. So after this down part, as we are coming with full force all the way up, clearing all these zones here. So this our resistance here will become our support very soon in the nearest future. All right, so what we are expecting, we expect that this guy should hold. This guy is going to hold like this at least. This is going to hold at least, because I understand that sometimes the market might want to do something like this. I want to do something like this. But this trend line here, this our resistance, is supposed to push this market down. But in case it does not, so what are we going to be doing now? We are just going to sit back and watch this market play out. So if it breaks here below, it means we are going to be if it does something like this, all right, if it does something like this, so we are going to be expecting a pull. We're going to be expecting a fall. All right, if it does something like this, we are going to be expecting a fall before we rally all the way to the upside from here, either from here or it comes down to this point, then before we rally all the way from here. So but for now, this is what we are expecting. But for now, I am favoring the downside more than the upside. So I'm giving 80% to the downside and 20% to the upside, because we have had multiple rejections around this zone, and that is our new resistance. So until we have a very strong momentum, we are not expecting any form of a break to the upside. So that's it for now, guys. See you in our next episode. My name is Raymond. You check the link below, you'll see our Telegram channel link there. You can join our Telegram for free for more insights and for signals, free signals we offer. It is not mandatory, but anytime we drop signals, it's a banger, it's a quality signal, so you can as well join us, and then from there I'm sure you are going to learn something really good that will help you scale up your trading journey. Make sure you share this video, comment what you want us to analyze next, the pair you want us to analyze next, and what you want us to talk about next, whatever you think it is that you don't understand here, you can actually comment it below, and so that we can take a look at it and then address it in our next video. See you guys. Good night.